Hey guys, in this video I will explain how checkpoint works. So on the left side in a circle there is a numpad with a kill switch. So if I interact with this numpad, it's going to kill my character. I created this for this purpose, for the purpose of this video. So let's start with the first checkpoint. Place your checkpoint into the scene and give it a property behavior of an asker. This checkpoint will be activated by simply interacting with it. The way how checkpoints work is very simple. It's just every time we activate a checkpoint, it rewrites the old checkpoints. As you can see, I killed my character and I spawn in the first checkpoint. That's the one it's given to you by the game. When I activate the second checkpoint and I kill the character, uh, I spawn at the yellow color because I rewrite the old checkpoint. So there is many ways how you can activate your checkpoints. It's just simply using messages. So you can use trigger volume, asker. You can use killing an enemy. You can activate your checkpoint on collecting objects, basically on anything. You just need your message to be sent out and match it with your desired checkpoint. Here I simply use the objective message. So when we finish the quest, it will send out the message and activate the checkpoint. I'm showing you just so you know you can use basically anything to activate your checkpoints. It's when you, for example, creating a city and you want your character to be spawning in certain area of the city, you can tie your checkpoint to the NPC that will give you a quest, for example. And that's the basic of the checkpoints. It's very simple, guys, and let's jump into some practical examples. So I've created this jumping puzzle with the lava, which is going to kill our character whenever we fall into it. So again, I will place a spawn point into our scene and I will give it an property of an asset, a spawner. The next thing I will do, I will place a sign into the scene and I will create a preset. This sign is just acting as a visual place where the checkpoint is located for the player. The next thing on the list is adding a component of a trigger volume and customizing the component to fit the size of the platform. So every time a player steps on the platform, it will activate this checkpoint. Now I will add some visual effects and sound effects to our checkpoint. These will be triggered whenever the checkpoint is activated. In our case, whenever a player is walking past the checkpoint, which also activates the checkpoint. Make sure that you are matching your message with the message that is on your triggered volume. And last on the list is itself adding the checkpoint component to our spawn point. As you can see, our checkpoint is working and has been activated. So now I'm gonna show you how you can create a second one. It's basically the same process. We will be just copying and pasting the old one and changing the messages, and we will be working with the asset spawner and presets. I will speed up this video so you can skip it or you can look through it. platform has now two checkpoints that will be activated when the player runs past the platform. Remember, your newest checkpoint basically deletes the old one, so now when the player dies, he will be always spawned at your newly activated checkpoint. So with your checkpoint, you can also play with the respawn range, which will allow you to spawn the character in the yellow circle area around your checkpoint. That means your character is not going to be spawning right in the middle. It will be randomly spawn around the yellow area you have seen just right now. This wide spawn range can be used in various types of games, like for example when you are chased by NPCs or you have an area that you need to clear and you want your player to be spawning just in that area. That's all for today, guys. Hopefully this was useful. The checkpoints are not such a big deal, so jump into your game and try them out yourself. Hey guys, if you like my videos and you would like to support this channel, you can do that by purchasing one of these cool NFTs. There will be new collection coming every week and link will be in my bio. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.